In this video, we will be converting a plug-in chandelier to a hardwire and installing a crown medallion. Let's get started. First, we will be installing the Celing Medallion. Install the mounting strip before the medallion. I spray painted it with a white glossy spray paint. First, apply the adhesive to the back of the medallion. Press the medallion against the ceiling. Attach tape to hold it in place temporarily while you hammer in the finishing nails, but use the blue tape as this tape doesn't hold for more than a second. The recessed areas over the screw heads will be patched over with patching compound. To calculate how much cord and chain to cut, have the tallest person in the home stand while you hold the chandelier up and measure, then add an extra 4 inches to that.
Cut your chandelier to the desired bing bing.
Oh.
Next step is to strip the wires. Peel wires apart. Using a wire stripper, find the correct gauge in your wire, press the wire stripper and spin it around until it cuts through. Pull the wire insulation off and do the same with the other wire. The hot wire is smooth with writing on it. You might need a magnifying glass to see it. The neutral is ribbed to the touch. Okay, here's our helper. You gonna help us hang the chandelier?
No way, Mom. Make sure you turn off your electricity.
Twist the hot supply wire from the ceiling, ours was black, to the hot chandelier wire. Next, you will connect the white wire from the ceiling to the chandelier's neutral wire. Next, take the ground wire and wrap it around the little green screw and tighten. it one more time. Why not? Daydreaming is fun, important, and good for you. Why, you might ask? It boosts the brain, it's an escape, it improves your creativity, and we all want to be creative. It reduces stress, and it's kind of like meditation. So dance, imagine that you are.